Everybody. This is Tuesday night before your Wednesday classes, and I wanted to make this video to help you understand what we're going to be doing in our first on-demand class. On-demand means that we will not be having a normal Zoom class. Instead, you can click the Zoom link, but it's only if you have a few questions to ask me, because I'll only be there for the first 20 minutes. Okay, so here's, this is the one for first period, but this video is for all of my classes, first period, second period, third period. All of them are going to be covered in this video. So these are all important files and videos. Make sure you look at these, especially I'll be talking a bit more about the sample walking video. This sample walking video you should pay attention to. Okay, and there's more information. If you see a button here that says click here, you'll get more information down at the bottom. Okay, so keep an eye on all of that in all of the places that we have it in our course. Okay, let me just go back up to where we were. Here's one on how to use YouTube subtitles. I've talked about this before, but I haven't watched it yet. Everything that I put on Moodle, you should watch and you should read, because it's for you. Remember, we're going to have a lot of on-demand classes, and if you don't actually use this information to your own best advantage, it's going to be a disadvantage for you. So watch all of these videos. All of the stuff that was in general class instructions, this was the information for our first class. And now what we're going to have tomorrow, oh, by the way, if you haven't yet sent your current writing progress, there were 2 people who have not yet sent it. Send it soon, okay? Because I need to see where you are in your current writing progress, so I can start telling you from next week, so that'll be the 21st, what we need to do to get you ready through the 3rd quarter and through the 4th quarter, so that then you can finish your 1-year writing assignment. Anyway, tomorrow is the 14th, and we actually don't have a heavy class tomorrow. Okay, here's the URL if you need to talk to me. Remember, the first 20 minutes of class. Here's the objective of the class. Basically, you're going to be watching the video lecture and following along in your textbook and filling out your textbook or writing it in separate note paper. And here's the assignment for it. You need to send a photo of that work to this assignment. Okay. While we're here, let me tell you the only other task that you have for class 2. I want you to fill out this remote learning survey. Okay, the remote learning survey, click it. It's all in Japanese. Okay, it'll take you about 5 minutes. I just want to know what your situation is in your apartment, in your house. If you have good Wi-Fi, if you don't have the internet, maybe you just bought a new computer, so that makes things much easier than it was for you in the first semester. I want this remote learning survey, and I want the photo upload just like last week for this week. This week also, you will be able to find the answers for the textbook. Already that was available from today at noon. Okay, so check your answers against that. Make sure that you have the right answers, because everything that we do in the textbook will be in the test. If you don't have the correct answers for the textbook, you're going to have the test become very, very difficult. How to make walking videos. I also suggest you watch this video, and if you find it very difficult to understand the English, remember in the first video, no, not this one, in the first video here, how to use YouTube video subtitles. That's in the important files and videos. How to use YouTube video subtitles. This video for me is actually in Japanese, and I explain to you how to use YouTube so that any English video I make, you can listen to, you can read the subtitles in automatically produced Japanese thanks to YouTube's artificial intelligence. Okay, so basically that's all you have for the 14th. For the 14th, all you have, okay, is to make sure that you take your photo of your work, and then do the remote learning survey, and start thinking about your walking videos, and start thinking too about your writing assignment. It's a fairly light week. There's not that much to do. I think that's it from me. If you have any questions, remember, you can contact me tomorrow in the optional Zoom room. And also too, my email is, I forget where my email is, but my email is jdmcruz@gmail.com. So please use my email, and that will allow you to ask me any questions in text. Okay, thanks very much, and I'll see you, in 2 weeks when we have our next, in 3 weeks when we have our next on-demand class, or in the next video that I make like this. Okay, thanks a lot.